Hello YouTube, Frederick15100 here with it's a video on how to download aircraft and put them onto FSX, just for people out there who have just got the game and just want to know how to. So here on my downloads I have downloaded the Korean Air 777-200, which I'll show you how to put onto Flight Simulator. First you got to open, I've got to open my OC drive folder, program files times 86, Microsoft Games, Simulator X, Sim Objects, and then keep it on airplanes. I've got Express Zip. Oh wait a second. I've just got to extract the folder. Normally you'd have to right click and press extract all. So I've extracted this folder. Wait a second. Let me think. Right. Sorry about this. I've just got to open it again. Extract all. Extract. File extraction was successful. Let's go to my documents. Korean Air. There we go. Right. You open up your Sim Objects folder, then carry it across to airplanes. Then I've got to go through this, my administrator permission, so put it into the folder, continue, moving the item, there we go. Now you open Flight Simulator. 1 minute, I'm just going to close this. 1 minute, it's just loading up. Now I can close this. And I'll leave this for now in case the download doesn't work. Right. It's just coming on now. It should be on there. Then I go to my aircraft. Bear with me 1 minute. I've got a lot of planes on my simulator folder. I think it might be in here. Nope. Project Open Sky. If this doesn't work, I'll be very confused. 1 minute. Just down from my planes. Should be down 777. 200. There it is. 2 of them. Right, I'll just open one. Oh wait a second. This could be a file error. This is a file error where the plane is on here, but the texture and the model hasn't worked. But yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Rate, comment and subscribe, and sorry about the aircraft mix up there. It's just because my FSX gets mixed up between pictures and stuff and thumbnails and stuff like that, which means sometimes the models and textures don't work. But yeah, thank you for watching. Rate, comment and subscribe, and please watch more of my videos.